So this is problem involving sets. So the problem states that Loida interviews 75 students at a certain high school on the sports they are interested in. The results are as follows. 40 play badminton, 35 play football, and 15 play both badminton and football. The first question is how many students play badminton only? B. How many students play badminton or football? Letter C. How many students do not play football? And letter D. How many students play neither badminton nor football? And letter E. How many students play exactly one of the two sports? So to answer these questions, we need to do a Venn diagram. So this is the rectangle which represents the total number of students. So in this problem, the total number of students or the universal sets have 75 elements or 75 students. So the total number of students here inside this rectangle should be 75. First is there should be two circles because there are two sports. So badminton and football. So one circle for badminton, one circle for football. So one circle, two circles. So this is for badminton and this is for football. So to answer this problem, we should first identify what is the intersection or how many students play both badminton and football. So this is inside the football. This is also inside the badminton. It means that these particular students in here play both badminton and football. So in the problem, it says that 15 play both badminton and football. So we're going to write 15 in here. So it means that 15 students play both badminton and football. So because we have 15 in here, so 40 play badminton. So we're not going to write 40 in here because there's already 15 who also play badminton. So instead of writing 40, we're just going to deduct 15 from 40. So the answer is 25. Very good. Also, the same process with football. So because there are 35 and there are already 15 in here, so we're not going to write 35 in here. We're just going to write 20. Very good. Next. Again, as I said, this is the total number of students and we only have 25 plus 15, which is 40, plus 20, which is 60, but the total number of students is 75. Therefore, there are some students who did not play badminton or football. And how many are those? There are 15 because this is the total number of these students who play who play either badminton or football is 60. Therefore, there are 15 students who do not play these two sports, or probably they do not play any sports at all. So we can now answer these questions. So first is how many students play badminton only? So play badminton only, we're not going to include 15 because they also play football. So the answer is only 25 students. So therefore, there are only 25 students who play badminton only. Next, how many students play badminton or football? So how many students play badminton or football? So it's all of the students who are inside these circles because these two play badminton, this also play badminton and football. These students are playing football. So this all students are the answer for this problem. So 25 plus 15 plus 20 is 60. Very good. Next, how many students do not play football? So how many students do not play football? If your answer is 25, oh, that's still lacking because these 15 students do not also play football. So this 25 will play badminton only, including 15 who do not play at all. So 25 plus 15, which is equal to 40 students. Letter D. How many students play neither badminton nor football? So they do not play these two sports. Yes, very good. The answer is 15 students. Letter E. How many students play exactly one of the two sports? They only play one. So it's either it's either the 25 or the 20. So if you're going to add both of them, it's 45. These two do not play, it's they only play one sport. So this 25 play only badminton, this 20 play football. So how many students play exactly one of the two sports? So 25 plus 20 is equal to 45. 45 students.